3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, check this one out. That's right, this is the Estes Patriarch. It's a ready-to-fly rocket that can go up to 675 feet. So here's a look at the specs. This thing is 18 inches in length, 1.35 inches in diameter, and it's heavy at 2.7 ounces. So here are some estimated heights on these various motors. We've got the B44 at 250 feet, the B64 at 275 feet, and at a whopping 675 feet, we've got the C65, all of which are normal motors and can be found at your local hobby shop. So let's take a look inside and see how closely this thing matches what's on the outside of the box. So it comes all packaged up, nice neatly, all essentially one piece, plus the parachute. And, alright, we've got some good stuff. U.S. Air Force right there. Proud American right here. And if you're not American and you don't like Americans, I'm sorry to hear that. Now I'm going to take this out of the bag. So this rocket really is pretty cool. We've got this multicolored nose cone. Has a really nice chromish look to it. Now I've got the tube of the rocket itself. Very nice. And clear fins. This is not what I pictured when I ordered it, but it is kind of cool now that I've looked at it for a few seconds, and it's kind of growing on me. The other pretty cool feature is you twist this off, twist and pull rather, and then you put the motor in there, and then you put that back on, twist it, boom, there you go. That's a lot better than that cheap metal prong that comes with some of my other rockets. I really like this feature actually. Now let's see what it looks like all put together. So really, after inspecting this pretty closely, the only real downside is that these graphics look pretty darn fake. I always appreciate that right there. But if we're looking at it in person, that looks just cartoony and cheap. And yeah, I don't really care for that too much. But other than that, I really like how this thing looks. And up next, you're going to get to see it launch.
3, 2, 1. Three, two, one. Oh yeah. Right at us. That was perfect. There it is.
Hell yeah.